Hi guys, March 30th, weekly coronavirus simplified version.
News to you. March 30th, 2020. Coronavirus. Many people around the world are sick. They have a new illness called the coronavirus.
Okay, so this sickness called the coronavirus is all over the world. It is now on all 7 continents.
The coronavirus spreads from person to person. Anyone can get the coronavirus. The coronavirus gives people fevers and coughs.
So it's very easily spread between people. They recommend washing your hands. Anybody can get it, and you can have trouble breathing, a fever, a cough. Some people it doesn't affect greatly, and others puts them in the hospital, and there's people that have died from it.
The coronavirus spreads quickly. Doctors around the world are working together. They are working to stop the spread now.
So the virus spreads extremely quickly, and so doctors and scientists and labs are working to try and figure out how to slow it down, get a vaccine for it, or get medicine for it.
You can help stop the spread too. Wash your hands often. Call a doctor when you feel sick.
So it's important to wash your hands. Before we went on spring break, we washed our hands all the time, showing you and taking the time to wash them correctly. I want you guys to stay healthy and safe over this time. So here's the recipe page. If you guys have the ingredients, you can try it at home. Download the weekly and you'll get the full recipe. Have a great day.